Welcome to Crazy for Quizzes. What's that noise? Can you guess which animal makes which noise? Put your answers in the comments below. Get ready, set, go. Listen closely. It's a panther. Listen closely. It's a horse. Listen closely. It's a monkey. Listen closely. It's a bull. Listen closely. It's a lion. Listen closely. It's a mouse. Listen closely. It's a pig. Listen closely. It's a sheep. Listen closely. It's an elephant. Did you guess them all correctly? Great job! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crazy fun!